everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today with another headband wig review. Now, believe it or not, this wig is a synthetic wig. I know it really doesn't look synthetic to a certain extent, at least to me, but it is a synthetic wig. And this wig is from MORVALLY or MORVALLY. I'm not too sure how they pronounce the name, but they reached out to me and asked me to review this wig. So make sure you guys check the description box below for the link and any details that I may leave about this wig. I also have a discount code for you guys to use at checkout. So I'll definitely let you guys know what the code is towards the end of the video. But make sure you check the description box and of course the pinned comment for the code. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, I showed you guys construction of this wig. Of course, this wig had the black strap in the front where you could put the headband on top, or you don't have to, it doesn't matter. This wig has 4 combs. It has 2 right here, one in the front center and one in the back center. It was very easy for me to put on. It is a little bit loose, just a tad bit, so it will fit comfortably. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into a little bit more details about this wig. So again, this wig is from MORVALLY or MORVALLY. This is their synthetic headband wig. The texture is a body wave. It's 180% density and it is about 22 inches. Now, according to Amazon, it retails for $25.99. So very affordable, under $50, under $30. A synthetic wig that looks pretty good in my opinion. So I'm gonna let y'all guys know, of course, how I feel about the wig. But before I get into that, I do want to let you guys know that this wig did shed a little bit. As y'all saw in the clip, I did brush the wig out, and can't really show y'all, but if you can see some hair in this brush that definitely came out of the wig. Now, I did brush it out a little bit, just to make the waves, the body wave more bouncy like. But once again, it is synthetic, so it's getting a tad bit tangled up, as y'all can see. Can't really run my fingers through it. But this wig is super cute. Like I said in the intro, to a certain extent, it does not look synthetic at all. Like, this definitely looks like a human hair wig. Right now, it just looks like, you know, flyaways all over the place, human hair wig. But to me, I actually forgot it was synthetic. So when I took the wig out of the bag, I kept thinking it was human hair. And I forgot it was synthetic. I had to look at the bag again and I was like, okay, it is synthetic. But yeah, the wave pattern is a really pretty. The length is nice. I love the length, all of that. They did send me 3 headbands, as y'all guys saw, but I didn't want to use that today. I wanted to use another one that I already had to pretty much match me today. So yeah, I really do like this wig. Like, y'all know, I have nothing against synthetic wigs, but there are some synthetic wigs that I just can't stand. They either shed too much, they too synthetic-y. I don't know, it all depends. But I definitely like this one. I don't think I had a synthetic body wave headband wig, so this is really good. Definitely an everyday type of wig. Of course, I would definitely, if I get lazy, definitely would wear this every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all around per usual. I don't want to back up my ring light, so I'm gonna get on my tippy toes just a little bit. So here's how the front looks. Here is the side. Here is the back. And here is the other side. So yeah, I really do like this wig. Y'all let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length, the texture. If I didn't mention it, is 1B, I believe, so you know, a natural color. But yeah, I really do like it. So y'all let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.